Hi, I'm Tony, Rudy's business partner here at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. I'm originally from Columbus, Indiana, which is best known for their architecture, and Cummins Engine Company, which is the world's largest diesel engine manufacturer in the world. I moved to Southern California in 1972, so I guess you could consider me a adopted Californian. I've lived in LA, Orange, San Bernardino, and Riverside counties, which has allowed me the opportunity to experience the wide diversity that Southern California has to offer. I earned my business management degree from University of Phoenix. Early in my career, I worked for Prudential Real Estate Affiliates, which is part of Berkshire Hathaway, and I conducted onboarding of new brokers and agents during that time. In that capacity, I conducted training and implementation of systems at the brokers' offices to communicate with the Prudential corporate office in Costa Mesa, California. During my 35-year career working for Fortune 500 companies in project management, consulting, sales, and business management, I was able to understand the client's needs, deliver results on time, and exceed the client's expectations. I took early retirement and discovered that I was too young to retire, and I just didn't want to return back to the business world. So I returned to my real estate roots and initially began investing in real estate and flipping homes. And then I earned my real estate license. I spoke with my old mentor from the Prudential days, and he suggested that I look at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. After meeting Rudy and understanding the team approach and his buyback guarantees, his VIP programs, which offer guarantees for both the broker, the seller, and the buyers, and then also his give back to the community, which working with Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, it made an easy decision to join the team. Currently, my wife and my adult son are looking at getting their real estate licenses, and hopefully someday they'll join me here at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. From a personal aspect, my wife and I enjoy raising corgis for the past 25 years. They're the dog that the Queen of England had, and they think that they're German Shepherds with 4-inch long legs. We currently have one corgi. His name's Marty, and we enjoy walking him around our lake in our community. Unfortunately, he's 12 years old and has a bad hip, so he walks about 20 feet, sits down, and expects us to carry him the rest of the way. So we ended up getting him a stroller, and now he thinks he's the king of the sidewalk and barks at every duck that passes him by. My goal here at Your Home Sold Guarantee is to deliver on the heart's desires of our clients and to make sure that we find them the home of their dreams. So if you have a home for sale, or if you're looking to buy a home, please give me a call at 951-466-6582. Thank you.